Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study microbiology from Sketchy. First, watch each Sketchy video with a purpose, focusing on the unique visual mnemonics presented. Pay close attention to the symbols and their corresponding microbial facts. Next, actively engage by pausing and recalling information as you go. This method significantly boosts your memory and understanding. Finally, learn how to effectively combine Sketchy with other study resources for a comprehensive approach to microbiology. To truly master the material, active engagement is crucial. Pause the video every few minutes and try to explain the scene and its associated facts aloud. This active recall strengthens your neural pathways. Consider creating your own brief notes or even quick sketches of the scenes. This personal interaction with the content, even for just 5 to 10 minutes per video, solidifies the connections between the visuals and the microbiology concepts. Consistent reinforcement is key to long-term retention. Implement a spaced repetition system, such as Anki, to review the Sketchy facts at optimal intervals. Rewatching videos, even at a faster speed, can quickly refresh your memory of the intricate scenes and their associated details. Dedicate at least 15 to 20 minutes daily to review. Additionally, actively practice with microbiology questions to ensure you can apply the visual mnemonics to clinical scenarios. Sketchy is a powerful tool, but it's most effective when integrated into a broader study strategy. Supplement the visual mnemonics with a comprehensive microbiology textbook to gain a deeper conceptual understanding. Work through question banks to test your recall and application of the material, identifying any areas needing more attention. By connecting Sketchy's memorable scenes to real-world clinical cases, you will build a robust and practical knowledge base in microbiology.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.